What's up, guys? It's Terry Teeth, and today we are back with more Turbo Dismount, and I have to get rid of the picture logo from my vehicle because it didn't look too good. So I'm just going to do the face.
No. Okay.
And here we go. Fasten your seatbelts, guys. It's gonna get bumpy.
It's because you're doing it wrong.
Oh, that was close. Ah! Oh, oh my god. That was epic. Whoa. Okay, I literally thought we can't get to the bridge. Oh, that's quite fortunate, since we can since we can go to the bridge. Ow! I just got smacked in the head with the plank thingy. Whoa! I didn't even. I forgot about the train. Yeah, I forgot about that.
You're acting like a 6-year-old.
Let's try go slowly. Okay, that was not too slow. Try again. That was a fail. Oh, okay. We can't do that, so let's go. It's a race. It's a race against this car there.
Okay,
Oh, here we go. Let's go. What's gonna happen? Oh. Whoa. Oh, my head came off. That was really awesome. Let's try out the different pose. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Never mind. Looks like this dude's gonna win this. Well, we're just gonna have to go pretty slow, guys. Let this dude win. Yeah. This car looks like a rhinoceros. It's got a rhino car that's gonna ram into these bricks. Okay, that car stopped.
It's saved as I_I.
We're gonna go that way so carefully. Oh, okay, mine didn't. Mine didn't go so well.
Yeah, I have to.
We nailed it, I guess. Okay.
Wait, did you already save yours?
Alright, time to be the captain of this fire engine. Here we go. Time to go siren on there. Woo woo, Nino, Nino. Oh, this thing's pretty slow. Isn't there a no driver, or is that just me? That I'm the captain. Ahoy, mateys! Let's sail away on the road. Land ho! Yarg! Oh, nearly bashed into the sign. Well, oh, I just threw me off, and that top bit of the thing just spinning round in circles. Right, it's time to go to Run DMZ. Oh, I'm quite nervous, guys. What is going to happen? Let's just go straight like that on a fire engine. Time to go see Captain. Now, what am I doing? I'm just dangling around. Oh, prepare to get exploded.
Hold on, I wanna.
Yeah, boom. Cause baby, you're a fire engine.
I will jump. Scared.
Okay, let's be the big head and hang on to this.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the.
And go full speed. Here we go. Let's ride and let's go upside down like a bat. A red panda bat. Oh. Whoa, I'm flying. Straight into the sign. Oh. I'm in one piece now. Alright, that was our last go on the fire engine. It's time to go on the bus. And the easy way is to be Superman in the front. And easy way to go straight is to get explode. Alright, time to commit suicide. Are you ready? What? What just happened? I thought we were just going to go straight. Only the bus just get destroyed, not me. Okay, I literally thought we we're just going to get exploded, but speaking of explosion, we're going to hit the fan. Yeah. We need to get rid of. Hang
Bus
on.
is 30303030.
We'll just go ready on that.
3030.
No, actually,
Oh,
medium
no,
ramp.
36 now.
Yeah.
Well, you did it for like.
Are you ready? Let's go. Almost full power, and we're gonna go speed. Whoa! I'm in one piece again. Oh, that crunchy sound. The pain of the crunchy sound.
You took a screenshot. Also, did you see the actual competition?
Alright, this little red panda wants to be Superman. Let's be Superman then. A super panda. Da, 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 da. What? My hand came off. Oh, the pain. Whoa. Oh my god, that crunch. Oh, the pain. Let's go on that tiny ramp. Ah. Ouch. My leg came off. It's a disaster.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's sit properly on this motorbike. And it's speed. Speaking of speed, it's full speed. Oh! Ow. Oh, that crunch. Oh my god. Actually, we're just going to go on the minivan. And I'm just going to go on medium speed. Oh. Oh. That did not just happen. And we're gonna go. We're just gonna go in front of the police car. And let's let the ghost drive the car. Up in the air. And we're gonna fall straight into the mine. No, we didn't. Alright, here we go. We're going on the trip on our favourite massive truck. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, again in the last video of Turbo Dismount. That crunch. We are back in the green car, and we're just going to go down gently. Yeah, and flying into space. That's not working. Ah, the crunch. Alright, I'm going to change to this fat dude, and I'm going to go right there. And I'm just going to go down gently in this green car. Don't let go of this car.
Water.
We are going to look back of the tank. We're just going to look. We're just going to look back if the cops are just chasing us. And please don't let go. No. Oh, look, the balance. I'm balancing. And I'm just wriggling about. Oh, looks like I'm possessed. Oh my god. Oh, my back. Oh, my arm just. I know my arm's gonna come off. No, look, almost did. But I'm not too bad. I look like a fat caterpillar. Just with two tails as legs. We're going on a trip on my favourite massive bus. Yeah, and excuse me, why are you looking up? Stop looking up, just look down. Look down! Oh no, the top came off. Well, it almost did. Stay away from me, cops. Stop destroying my favourite bus. You're gonna pay for my favourite bus. Right, we'll try again by going on the top of the bus. We're just gonna chill on the bus. I'll go round in circles. Here we go. Oh. I know I fell in the top of the bus. I fell inside of the top of the bus, and I'm just gonna roll about. And I'm just rolling about. And looks like it's gonna be a very bumpy ride because of the pesky cops trying to chase us. Oh, up. Yeah. Oh. Looks like I'm having a time of my life just bumping up and down on the top of the bus. I thought this would be the best day of my life on the massive bus. Let's try a different vehicle, the Espionage. I wish there was going to be a new update to Turbo Dismount, but one day there might be a new update to Turbo Dismount. Could have like new bikes, new motorbikes, new cars. Oh, this thing is so fast. Maybe a spaceship like a rocket. Better find out what new updates are in Turbo Dismount. Alright, looks like I'm gonna add some obstacles. Maybe turbo pads.
Yeah, because they think they're gonna
Turbo
throw
pads.
it. I was like,
Yeah. I don't go that way that much, but okay, I'll just put turbo pads in anyways, I don't care. There. So many turbo pads. It's gonna be so cool.
I feel like you could have
Another turbo pad and that's it.
Because me and Hayden were actually working together. We were actually doing
Right, full speed. Goddamn cops just ruined it and they destroyed my ship.
I thought you were talking about the other time.
Let's go a little bit faster, but no, cops don't ruin it. Don't ruin it. Ah! Stop ruining everything, cops. Alright, that's it. We're just gonna go. Take 4.
Go to the zebra.
Stay away from me, cops. Stay. What did I just say to you? And that's it. We're just gonna go that way this time because I don't want to go the right.
Yes, because
Oh! I just shot down this car. Oh my god. Oh, the pain.
Silly. Don't you want your bath? After tea?
I'm gonna blow myself down to this normal guy by doing full speed on this sofa. Damn it. Alright, it's time to go on this difficult ramp. Is it gonna work? I hate this map. Alright. Time to go on that motorbike. And we're just gonna go that way this time. Is it gonna work? Yay! Off the map. I knew it. Off the map. Time for you, little bird, to cluck your way to freedom, to heaven. Oh shoot, that didn't work. My head came off. Thank you for watching my Turbo Dismount video. If you like it, be sure to leave some comments down below and click some likes as well, and don't forget to subscribe to Terry Teeth's channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.